Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your Mac and iPhone so Flutter can see the device. Install Xcode and command line tools, then the Flutter SDK and Cocoa pods. This gives you the iOS toolchain. Once done, enable developer mode on the iPhone and connect it via USB. Unlock and tap Trust to pair. Make sure Xcode can run the device by opening window right arrow devices and simulators. You do this now, so Android Studio recognizes the physical iPhone as a deploy target. Next, configure Flutter and Android Studio to build to iOS. Run Flutter Doctor and resolve any iOS, Xcode, or Cocoa pods warnings. This ensures compile toolchains are healthy. In Android Studio, install the Flutter and Dart plugins, restart, and open your project. For code signing or provisioning, open the iOS/runner workspace in Xcode, select your team, and set automatic signing. This step prevents build failures. Once set, return to Android Studio. It will use the configured Xcode signing to finally, select the connected iPhone as your run target in Android Studio and execute Flutter run to build and deploy. The build goes through Xcode toolchain under the hood, so if you hit a signing or provisioning error, open the iOS workspace in Xcode, fix profiles or team settings, rebuild, then retry. If the app installs but misbehaves, inspect runtime logs via Flutter logs or Xcode's console. One key troubleshooting tip: restart the device and replug the USB cable to clear pairing glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.